Baby slippers, baby booties decorated with blossom. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to work this baby slipper decorated with blossom. It is not complicated with knitting. The length of the foot is 10 centimeters. The sole is 10 centimeters. For knitting this bootie we need the yarn 100 acrylic, baby yarn 100 acrylic, 2 knitting needles, the diameter 2.5 millimeters, the needle for sewing the seam, the ribbon, and the rest of yarn for making the flower, for making the blossom of the flower. So let's get started. I have cast on 37 stitches plus 2 edged. The total quantity is 39 stitches. 37 stitches plus 2 edged. The first row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches till the end of the row. Knit across the first row. Just keep knitting till the end of the first row, but purl the last edge stitch. We always purl the last edge stitch at the end of each row. We have just knitted the first row, then turn the work and let's do the second row. Slip the edge stitch. Now we are going to increase knit stitches by knitting in the front and back by KFB. We are going to increase knit stitches with KFB the following way. In order to avoid the hole, we are going to knit 2 stitches into a single stitch. You first knit through the front leg and do not slip it off, and knit the same stitch through the back leg and then slip it. So we have just knitted 2 stitches into a single stitch. Then knit 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then again increase knit stitches with KFB. Knit through the front leg, then do not pull it off, and knit the same stitch through the back leg and then slip it with the right needle. So we have just knitted 2 stitches into a single stitch, then knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then again KFB, increase the number of stitches using the KFB. Knit through the front leg, then knit through the back leg, and then slip. Then knit 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then again knit 2 stitches into a single stitch. Knit through the front leg, then through the back leg and slip, and purl the last edge stitch. We have just worked the second row. Now we have 43 stitches. The total quantity is 43 stitches on the knitting needle. Then turn the work and let's do the third row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches till the end of the row. Just keep knitting across the third row. We have just worked the third row, then turn the work, and let's do the fourth row. Slip the edge stitch, and we are going also to increase the number of stitches with KFB. The same way, knit into the front of the leg, then into the back of the leg of the stitch, the same stitch, and then slip it. We have just increased the knit stitches by knitting 2 stitches into a single stitch. Then knit 17 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have just knitted 17 stitches. Then again increase knit stitches by knitting 2 stitches into a single stitch. Knit into the front of the stitch, then through the back leg of the stitch and slip. Then knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then again knit 2 stitches into a single stitch, knit into the front of the leg, then into the back of the leg, and then slip it. Then knit 17 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then again knit 2 stitches into a single stitch, knit into the front of the stitch, then into the back leg of the stitch, and then slip it and purl the last edge stitch. Then turn the work, and let's do the 5th row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches till the end of the row. We have just worked the 5th row. Now the 6th row. Slip the edge stitch and then knit 2 stitches into a single stitch. Knit into the front of the loop, then into the back of the loop, and then slip the stitch. Then knit 19 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have just knitted 19 stitches. Then again knit 2 stitches into a single stitch. Knit into the front leg, then knit into the back loop, and then slip. Then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Then again knit 2 stitches into the 1 stitch, knit into the front leg, then into the back leg, and slip. Then knit 19 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Then again knit 2 stitches into a single stitch, knit into the front of the loop, then into the back of the loop, and slip it, and purl the last edge stitch. Then turn the work, and let's do the 7th row. Slip the edge stitch and knit all the stitches till the end of the 7th row. Just keep knitting across the 7th row. We have just worked the 7th row. Now we have 51 stitch on the knitting needle. 51 stitch. Now we are going to work 16 rows upward by garter stitch. Just keep knitting in all the rows. 16 rows upward by garter stitch. We have just worked 16 rows by garter stitch. Further we are going to decrease the number of stitches. slip the edge stitch, work the following way. Knit 17 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stitches. Then slip the stitch, do not knit it, then knit one, then pass the slipped stitch over the knitted stitch.